They tell me I've got COVID, but look at me, I'm sitting here and I'm doing my makeups for you. You better go and subscribe. You better go and like my page on Facebook. You better go and follow me on Instagram. Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. No. Hi guys, it's Sylvia. Okay, how are you doing? From Asamimua Beauty. Hope everybody's doing well. We're back in tier 3 lockdown. It's whatever. So last week I and my son was, I don't even know how to put it. How do I even put it? So basically we're meant to have COVID at the moment. I'm in lockdown, I'm in self-isolation, sorry. Been in self-isolation since Friday. Yeah, I'm okay. My son's more than okay, he's very vibrant, thank God. Yeah, I have quite a mild headache at the moment, but I'm fine, I'm absolutely fine. I don't know, I think it's just the flu, but they said it's COVID, so it's whatever. So, and even if it is COVID, it's fine, I'm fine. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know. That's probably why my video last time was just, the recording was abysmal, but I can only apologize. I thought I'm gonna still put it out because I gotta be consistent, and I'll look back on it in a few years to come and be like, oh, Sylvia, what was you doing? What was you doing? But it is what it is, guys. So how are you guys? If you want to see how I did this look, please continue to watch. I'm in a bit of a rush. I'm going to be on the Black Creatives United panel again for No Facade. Well, it's a program called No Facade. It's on YouTube. Feel free to go over there, Black Creatives United. The program is called No Facade, where we talk about relationships and everything in between, you know what I mean? So that's what I thought. Let me just quickly do a really quick look and record it, because you know there's no other time I'm going to be doing my makeup, you know what I'm saying? So this is the look, guys. I hope you like it. I had to put my Sex and Slay with Asamimua sessions on hold, and it will be back I think just after Christmas now. I'm gonna see, because it's a lot, but I'm doing good. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are looking forward to Christmas. I don't really celebrate Christmas like that, but it is what it is. There'll be food to eat, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But so I'm gonna go. I hope everyone's doing well. Please stay safe. Enjoy Christmas. I think I'll probably do one more look before Christmas. I should do anyway. If not, then after Christmas, definitely. But yeah, have a good one. Stay blessed. Take care, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. So let's get into it. So I used my Unbranded matte this time because I just wanted a more mattifying look. Then I went in with my Juvia's Place concealer in J9. I should really mention that this was a no foundation. Me can't talk. Let me rewind that one. This was a no foundation look. I only used concealer and powders. So I first went in with my CC Perfecting powder by Revolution Pro in, I think that's golden brown, warm golden. And then I went in with my matte bronzer, Splendour bronzing tingaling from Revolution, Makeup Revolution in medium dark to contour. Obviously contoured my nose and them things there as well, and around my face. Where else? I'm trying to do two things at once, guys. If only you knew. Then I went in with, I think that's dark or medium. It's either deep or dark, to go all over my face, to set my whole face basically. As I usually do. Then I went in with the orange and the brown. I can't remember the names of them, in my Nubian 2 palette for my bronzer. Then I went in with my Dior highlighter, which I'm loving. I used the 2 browns, like the brown and the golden basically. And then I went up my nose with it a little bit as well. Blended it out as I usually do. I thought I need a little bit more, so I added a little bit more. And guys, you can see it says follow, like, subscribe. Just do it, yeah. Just do it, yeah. I don't want to get heavy on you guys. Just do it, okay? All right. And I done my brows offline today because I was in such a rush that the camera stops and I was like, Charlie, let me just do what I gotta do. And then I went in with my Berries palette, Juvia's Place Berries palette, and I used the pink in that first, initial pink, to use as my transition color. Then I used a darker purple for my crease area. And then I just blended everything out. Sorry guys, I might go a little bit quiet. Blended it out a bit more. I'm just doing something at the same time. If only you guys knew. Then I thought, I initially was going to cut a crease, and I thought, can I really be bothered? I ain't got time for no precision today. But I did want to lay down so that the blue that I was going to use will come out in its normal, in its most natural shade. So I initially went in with the blue from the Crane Case palette. And then I just blended it out a little bit with the purple that I was initially using. Sorry, I'm just typing something. Give me 1 second. Well, not give me 1 second, but why am I even telling you guys? But it's okay. Then I went under my eyes with that same blue as well, and then I went in with the pink as well, just to smoke out my under eye. And then I thought, you know what, I'm not feeling the blue, you know, let me add some more blue. So I used the aqua blue, and I used to use my fingers just to dab it in the middle to make the shades on my eyes look a little bit more gradient. So it goes from pink to purple to blue, dark blue to aqua blue. And then I added a little bit in my waterline as well and smoked everything out again. Then I thought, you know what, I need to blend it out a little bit more on top with a more neutral color, or color closer to my shade, so that it gives it even more of a gradient shade, and that's what I did. And then I lined my lips, as you guys know, with the chocolate palette. I've been doing that quite a bit in most of my videos, so I did that. And then I think I first went in with the Lime Crime. I can't remember the color, but I'll put it in the description box. And then I thought, you know what, I want great ombre as per usual. I always do that. I think, nah, I want one color, and then when I do the one color, I'm like, it's just not enough dimension for me. So I went in with my Maybelline. Can't remember that shade, to be honest, but yeah, I loved it. I went in with that. And then I went in with my Go Big or Go Home mascara. And then I didn't even realize I recorded a little bit of putting on my lashes, so that's just the ending bit. I put on the first ones and I put on the second ones, but yeah, that. Then I went in with my Makeup Revolution lip gloss, and I thought, you know what, a bit more dimension once again, so I went around it with my Dior gloss. Then I used my all-nighter ting-a-ling-a-ling setting spray, and then I thought, you know what, let me do some tear ducts, something, and so that's what I done. And then that was the finished look, guys. That was it. Like I said, I was on the Black Creatives Unite program again, called No Facade, and this was the look that I did for that, as you can see, and I got a little bit of a public service announcement. It's going to be coming up quite soon, but first just take a look at what I did. Are you feeling it? But here's the public service announcement, guys. You know, I'm starting to do this in every video now. Have you noticed it? Look at this close-up. My eyes are watering, but it's okay. Look at the close-ups. Yeah, you. I said look at the close-ups I've just done for you. I've just done decorating my face. They tell me I've got COVID, but look at me. I'm sitting here and I'm doing my makeups for you. You better go and subscribe. You better go and like my page on Facebook. You better go and follow me on Instagram. It's all Asamimua Beauty. I've kept it simple. Okay, so that you lot don't forget it. I'm sure it's going to be down here somewhere as well. Asamimua Beauty. Okay, people? So please subscribe if you haven't so far. Okay? Take care, guys. Okay. Bye. So I thought, why not show you how it actually went on the Black Creatives Unite No Facade program.
why not? And here's a little bit of a snippet right here for ya.
I didn't expect there to be a dilemma.
We're about to be agony uncles and agony aunts.
Yeah, like, I'm not gonna... Okay, hey guys. I've been sleeping with my sister's baby father.
So head on over to the Black Creatives Unites page and find out what we advise, because boy, that was a heavy one. But guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care, stay blessed, bye.